Morning guys, welcome back to custom carving. So I've been thinking a lot about how to finally finish this dragon, the dragon one that I'm doing for my little girl. Pretty happy with the details and the carving that I've done so far. And yeah, I mean, it's a dragon, so I thought it would make sense to do it with fire. Just had this little blowtorch come through the post, so I'm going to spend a few minutes just burning it. Now, you've got to be really careful when you're burning that you don't lose all of the detail that you've spent hours carving. So I'm going to just literally wet everything down with the water before I actually blowtorch it, and then see how we get on. I think it'll look really cool once it's blowtorched. I think it'll bring some of the details out, just highlight them a little bit more before we actually apply any dye to it, and then see, almost sort of show Shugi style, and see how it turns out. So just going to go outside, burn it, and then I'll show you the finished product.